Welcome! In front of me I have Garmin Venu 4 and I'm gonna show you how to track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. We can track the calories on this watch in a few ways. The first way is to do it on the watch face. So for example, some of the watch faces display the calories burned. This one doesn't, but you can always open the menu by pressing the upper button, tap on the watch face option, and here you can scroll through the list, look for the watch face that displays the calories. If you don't see any right here, you can always tap on Add Now, scroll through this list, find the one that displays the calories, which probably will be hard, but let's find something, maybe. No calories, no calories, no calories. No calories. No calories. No calories. No calories. No calories. Okay, so if you can't find any watch face that shows you calories by default, you can always customize them. So we can select, for example, this watch face. It will be added to this list of the watch faces. And then we can select it and swipe left on it, tap on data, then select the data pool, for example, this one. Come on, like this. And then we can scroll through the list of options and we can look for the calories. Okay, seems like we can't find the calories here. Let's try another pool, maybe this one. And this one has the calories, as you can see. And now we can press the upper button and press it again. And then press apply. And the watch face with the calories will be applied. Now, another way to check the calories is through the glances. So if we swipe up on the screen, we can scroll through the list of glances. And if you don't see the calorie glance, you can always tap on Edit, Add, and here look for the calories. Tap on it to add it, then we can go back. Calories will be added to the list. We can go back, and now we have the calories glance, and we have the calories progression. We can also tap on this glance to see the graphs and stuff like that. And last way to check it is to do it on the phone, if your watch is paired with a phone. So we can grab our phone, and on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Garmin Connect application, of course. Let me just zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen of the phone. We can open the Garmin Connect. And in the app, you can scroll down and you probably will see calories right here. But if you don't see them right here, you can tap on more. I believe health stats and then calories. And here we have detailed information about the calories. We can check the weekly, 4 weeks, 1 year. So you can check a lot more stats than only on the watch. Okay, and that's how you track the amount of the calories burned on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.